Hey, howdy outdoorsmen, it's us, Outdoors and Stuff. Welcome back to another forging video. Today, if you read the title and maybe saw the thumbnail, we're making an axe. Maybe. All depends on how this unfolds.
If you've seen any of the other forging videos, you'll see that sometimes they don't go...
Sometimes they don't really work out.
Yeah.
But we got the forge going. It's a nice.
We've kind of gotten used to this setup, so...
Yeah.
Got a piece of steel.
A piece of metal.
Yeah, no clue what it is. We just found it.
Yep.
Cut it. And we're going to use it.
We're going to use it to make an axe.
Yeah.
We're going to do something a little bit differently than a lot of people do when they make axes, is instead of folding the axe blade over onto itself, this is a little bit short for that, we're just going to fold a little bit of it over.
We're just folding the round bit around the handle.
A little bit around over the handle, and then the other bit will using.
Disclaimer.
Disclaimer.
We're going to put it up again.
Yep. Again. And then, we don't have any borax, do we?
We might.
We might have borax, so that's probably...
We're going to try our first, if we have borax, we're going to try our first forge weld.
Yep, and if we don't have borax, plans change. We're making a big knife.
Yep.
A really big knife.
Yep.
This is a dagger.
Yeah, why not? So.
But if we don't have borax.
But we've lit the forge, as you saw.
It's on fire, and it's actually it's getting pretty hot. So
it's heating up. Just stick that bad boy in there and start forging a shape out of some kind.
Start hitting some metal.
Right now, it's just kind of forge it into an axe shape if we can. So
allergy fueled.
Yeah, it's gonna be very much allergies for him.
That's good-ish. What? We're gonna hit more of the, like a curve into it. Oh, that looks really nice, actually. This is why you clean your steel, folks. That's pretty cool. I'm surprised at how well that worked. All clean, cold. Oh, that's hot.
I think we should begin Operation Bend.
Operation Bend.
After we forge that little crack out on the edge.
We're going to start bending it now. Maybe. We might have to cut some of it off.
Yep.
Hot cut. We don't have any hot cut tools. We might just have to fold it over onto itself.
Yeah, and we're going to do our first forge weld. We're using this to kind of guide the bend around.
The curve.
Just a little bit, so.
I would have just slid it down on the pipe. Slow it down.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Is there any way we can flip it over?
Pipe's too long.
Yeah, that's fine. That's all we needed that pipe for anyway, so.
Pull the pipe up.
Be gone!
Wait, this right here. Alright, I see it. There, on that.
think we'll just have to do that with the entire axe head, actually.
And now we gotta curve that back straight.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to hit it like right in. Right here.
Alright, outdoorsmen, we've finished the axe head. So now we're gonna cut down this tree for a handle. I'm gonna run it through the lathe maybe. But, that was fast.
Yep. Alright.
Yeah, I'd say that's a good length. Wait, hold on. I'm sorry. I think that looks good. We'll run it through the lathe, and then it'll be one fine handle.
Yeah, hopefully. This is definitely gonna have to dry out.
Yeah. I think for now, outdoorsmen, this is going to have to be. Let me see if I can get this to. That's what it looks like right now. It's a little bit, obviously all the stuff is a little bit brighter on camera. Sneeze. We might need a sneeze counter for this video. Laughs in hard editing. I mean, so you can see, person, I don't know if you can see that on camera. That's alright. Ooh. Come on, focus. Oh, you had it. Are you focusing on things behind the camera for? See that crack right there? I like it. Kind of disappears. It's on and off, but here. Where is the focus? Here's the edge. I put it. It's a decent edge. I wouldn't say it's my best work, but I do my best work with files, not grinders. I will admit, Eli right now is working on the handle for it, and obviously it's not going to focus on what he's doing. There you go. Hey outdoorsmen, we're back from a break. It's been a day or so, couple months.
It's been a couple months, yeah.
But Eli went ahead and finished the handle. I think the method of finishing the handle probably was done wrong-ish.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
That's the way they do it.
That's the way they do it, but not the way that they do it.
That's the way they do it. Except they have their metal bit isn't an oval and really small.
Isn't an oval and really small. And also, it's not like, I mean, I guess it is different from one of the big, like, axes, where it's the axe.
So the handle is basically a little small.
The handle is, you could run a little small.
Yeah.
That small's freak.
But it will work.
It'll do.
So we should probably make another axe sometime.
Yeah, just try it again. We'll make another axe.
We're probably going to go test it now.
We'll find some ways to test it. I want to sharpen it more because it's as freak. Yep. Also, it's hot. Last time we filmed, it was not so hot. Now it's summertime and hot.
Mm-hmm.
Bloopers of me either missing or like doing something wrong, right?
Yeah. All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe
nice.
Not. What I want to do.
I want to do the short one.
Okay. Le swing. Le axe split. Sha.
I got a chunk of it.
Oh, hey. Yes. Nice.
I mean, you could just, it's so long is the thing.
Yeah.
Like, it's long. It's not, you know, I'd like it to be right around in here.
Yeah.
I think. But
that works really well, actually.
Yeah.
Surprised. I was like, I think we need to sharpen it or something, but here we are. Here we are chopping wood to burn for a view. It's gonna come out, or is already out.
It's got to be a lot of force.
Whoa.
Oh,
it's so powerful. It split the thing. Get off of me, you tick, you. Oh yeah, also there are ticks out, and I hate that.
Didn't really work.
Did you say you didn't know it would work?
Didn't really work. Oh, never mind. So yeah, I'd say it works well.
I say it works for splitting wood.
We're not chopping down the tree.
I mean, you could do that though.